I am Siddharth from Team Digit, and in this video I'll be unboxing another one of these awesome portable Bluetooth speakers that we've got. I'll be taking the Edifier Extreme Connect for this unboxing. It's got a couple of interesting features. You can directly insert a micro USB, and apart from that it's got a 12-hour standard playback time. It looks like one of those rectangular models. Reminds me of the Soulmate from Jabra. But more on that later. I'll unbox this and quickly connect a device and show you the demo of the audio. So this is the Edifier Extreme Connect, and I'll be unboxing it for you quickly. If you'll notice, there's like a nice pull tab here, so I suppose it should be easy to unbox. Let's try. Not really. Finally. So now I think I can just pull this in as it was intended. Okay, so here's the speaker. Before going to what the speaker is like, let's look at what's there in the box. The cable quality is fairly nice. This is your standard 3.5 to 3.5. Here's your USB for charging the speaker, and there's a nice velvety carry case. It's not very high quality, but it's passable. This is what's in the package. Here we have the speaker itself. It kind of reminds me of the Jabra Soulmate. The layout for the buttons is pretty nice. It's like a few buttons have just been strewn about. There's no symmetry or order in them, which is nice. The whole speaker has a rubberized, strong, rugged feel. So let me just switch it on and quickly show you what it sounds like. So I've reduced the volume right now. I'll quickly take it up to full volume just to give you an idea. So yeah, the drivers are on this side. And now, just for the sake of comparison, I'll bring the JBL Flip 2 and see what that sounds like. Before that, let me just cover this. There's a covered port here, I think. SD card, USB-N, and direct charging. I'm back with the JBL Flip 2, and I'll be playing it from the JBL Flip 2 now. You won't find it here, looking another way. You won't find it here, so die another day. So I've taken it up to full volume and it's noticeably louder. So yeah, that was the comparison. Now this device, as per the packaging, costs 5599 in Indian rupees. So we'll do a full review and get back to you soon. Thanks.